Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to mute or replace song in copyright claim video on YouTube. So open YouTube Studio, then click Videos tab on the left. Select the video you want to mute or replace song. So here is the video. You can see this restriction, it's showing copyright. So click on copyright here, and you will see that copyright protected content found, but it doesn't affect your shorts. Click see details, and on the bottom side you will see this no impact protected content found, but it doesn't affect your shorts. Then you need to click three dot here, and here you will find three options: replace song, mute song, or you can dispute. If you think video content is your, you can easily dispute it, but I want to replace this song. So click replace here, and you can see this there are many music showing here. Select any of this. You can also play this like here, then click add here. You can see this song is automatically uploaded to this video. It may take some times. Then you have to click save button here, otherwise your video data will be not saved. So if you don't want to change anything, then click discard changes, and that's it. So in this way you can easily mute or replace song in copyright claim video on YouTube. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.